To make the building for the unloading area, I'm once again using the 1/8 inch Masonite. I have this on hand, it's easy to use, so I'm going to continue using it. The dimensions for this building, I'm cut 2 sheets 7 inch wide and 2 sheets 5 inches wide. And they're 22 inches long. These dimensions I picked out of thin air. They look approximately, as I kind of dry fit things together, it looks believable. So I went with that. And I couldn't find anything useful on the internet. I'm using this 1.5 inch strip to give everything strength as I glue the walls together. I'm leaving the rough side up and putting the strips on the rough side, so the smooth side will be for painting. One other thing is I left a little bit of a lip here at the top of this elevator, so when I set the roof cap on, I can go ahead and set it on these strips, and then it will set into the frame. Once this is dry, we'll cut doors for the semis to go in and out, and then we can glue the pieces together. Parts are dry. What we're ready for now is to glue the side walls to the front and rear of our building. church. That's about all. It's time to add more detail to our grain elevator. What I've done here is I've printed off some windows that I made in Microsoft Publisher. I used gray for the window panes and then black outlines, and just used rectangles to make the windows. These are in 1/64 scale and represent what a typical window might be in real life. On the elevator, what I've done here, this is the side facing away from the grain elevators. So there is two windows here, here, and here. These measuring, I started measuring 2 inches from the top, 8 inches from the top, and then 6 inches from the bottom. They measure 1.5 inches in and then 2 inches in on the side that faces away from the grain elevator. On the back side, the measurements are only on this side, as this will be up against the elevator itself. On the ends, I measured 2 windows at the top because I've seen that on real photos. Then I measured 2 inches on center down the middle of this side all the way down, and the same on the truck entrance side. There's 2 at the top, and then down the middle 2 inches on center, until we get to the bottom where there are 2 windows at the bottom. These are water slide decals, so a bit of water is needed to apply them. I want to put the 6-pane windows on the door side. I'm going to go back with a combination square and just make sure that the windows are perpendicular. And then twist them so they're parallel to the square. When I'm all done putting the windows on, I'll come back with some flat clear coat and seal these decals so they don't ever come off.